Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a torture chamber. Now first of all, you see here are the new Spotix. It was just a new update. So there's a lot of new Spotix. I'm gonna use end crystals for this one. Also, before that I'm gonna show you something. This is a Vindicator Sponic that is hostile to literally everything except guests and stuff like that. So yeah, it's really hostile. I'm just gonna kill him really quickly because that's not the main goal of the video. Why is this so slow? And yep. Let's do it. First of all, we need to find some flat ground and make a box, really huge box. Oh yeah, this works on both Java and Bedrock, but as you see, this is mobile edition, which is Bedrock edition, because you can look at the controlling joysticks and stuff like that. Now I made the frame of the box. I just need to cover up the edges. This is taking such a long time. This place is so dark, I'm just gonna get some fire res. Oops, I spoke wrong. I mean night viz. So, I'm not gonna drink potions because that's a waste of time. Let's just do /effect. If you're on Java Edition, the potion thing is like a bit different. It's just like effect give, and then add s. This is Bedrock Edition. If you're on Java Edition /effect give, you need to add a give if you're on Java Edition. Now we're gonna need why is there a hole here? Now we're gonna need a command block. We're using command /give, then add s. S means yourself or myself. Command. We actually need repeating command blocks, but it's the same, you can change it. Now I'm just gonna send it. Now check out our inventory, you should have a command block. Now I'm gonna put it on the anvil. This is gonna take a while. Well, you wanna put it on this command block. Now, if you just click on it, you need to right click to place, but if you just right click, it will just like go into the command block. So you have to crouch and then put the lever, then it's okay. Then change the command block to repeating /summon. We're gonna summon and oops. Was not working. It's supposed to be working. Okay. Slash summon. It's because and crystals are entities. Slash summon and what's that called again? I need to check. And crystals. And stones. It isn't working. Let me check the commands. Slash some and oh, it's Ender Crystal. So there's something really weird about this, about the command things. That is that the name, like Eyes of Ender, are actually called Ender Eyes, and End crystals are called Ender crystals, which is really weird. So yeah. Now that's definitely supposed to work. It's not working. Oops. Oh, it's working. Oops, I break the level. There's a problem now. It's about the level. I can't really solve that. No, forgot about it. If you want to place the block next to the command block, you need to do like this thing. It's really complicated. Well, actually, it isn't complicated, but it's just like annoying. Now we need to block this off. Now it should work. It's gonna get really laggy quite quickly. Now you want to put the water. Now I'm going to. It's not working. How am I supposed to do that? What? I need to pull off this. Yourself stuck in here. This is so annoying. Take it out. It's not going anywhere. I'm escaping. Yep, this is the torture room. What is this? It's blowing me away. Oh! What? Whoa! Whoa! Actually, this feels. Oh! If only I could stop the game. Oh! Good, there's a people. I just need a place to spot it. Spawn mobs. In. You know I'm gonna break that. I just got something in. What if I like throw drones? It doesn't. It's literally killing it. Does it work? Oh my. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now that's done. I got put like a obsidian so I don't fly away. Oh my god, this is so annoying. How am I supposed to deal with this? What? Oh, finally I get it. It's more like a torpedo lead. It's not working anymore. Why? Just slash kill again. Slash kill. I need to do something. It blew up the lever! Yep, cool. Look how cool it just looks. It looks not cool at all. To be honest, it doesn't look cool at all. Not cool. How am I supposed to punch that? Oh no, not again. You know what? I'm just gonna go here and then punch this one. Yeah, it worked. Okay, guys. What? It's still working. Slash kill. Add. Now I just gotta make. I'm gonna make more. Weird. Things are getting out of control. I gotta switch off this command block. It's not working! Finally. Now we got another problem. I've gotta build like more. Hello guys, hope you enjoyed my video. I sure didn't enjoy my video. So this is the end of the video. It was supposed to be a tutorial on how to torture mobs. It was more like torturing myself more than torturing the mobs, you know? Definitely don't try this. Bro, don't. If you want to break the game, try this. I didn't show you the last part, but I just put like lots of command blocks that spawn end crystals, and then my game lagged. I cannot use ender pearls, and it almost broke the game. Yeah, so guys, don't try it. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and blah blah blah.